This is the Calculus Pre-Lecture Series. I'm Brandon Ashley, and this video is on the alternating series test. So an alternating series is a series whose terms alternate between positive and negative values. So for example, we might have the series sum from n equals 1 to infinity of negative 1 to the n. And if we expand out the terms, we would just have negative 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1, and it would keep going. So this would be an alternating series because the terms just alternate between negative 1 and positive 1 with each term. We could also have the sum from n equals 1 to infinity, negative 1 to the n plus 1 times 1 over n. And if I expand out these terms, we'll have 1 minus 1/2 plus 1/3 minus 1/4, and so on. And again, this would be an alternating series as well, because if we look at the terms, they go from positive to negative, positive, negative. Okay, so in general, we can write an alternating series as some sum from n equals 1 to infinity of negative 1 to some power, I'll just write n, times u sub n, where u sub n is positive for all values of n. So this guy is what our alternating series are going to look like, and that's exactly what they are. These are alternating series. Okay, so we want to talk about the convergence of an alternating series, and we'll do this using the alternating series test. So given an alternating series, n equals 1 to infinity, negative 1 to the n times u sub n. We're going to check three conditions, and they are that u sub n needs to be positive for all values of n, u sub n needs to be decreasing, so u sub n is decreasing, and if I take the limit as n goes to infinity of u sub n, it has to go to 0. So if these three conditions are satisfied, then the alternating series test tells us our series n equals 1 to infinity, negative 1 to the n times u sub n converges.